Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Frances Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. Excuse me. And today I'm going to share you a best tip to do any type of sentiment on the card or a greeting, and to make sure you got it at the perfect place. Sometimes we think, let's say that I would put that here. Let's say, okay, that looked pretty good where I want it. So we're going to put it that way. Now let's close this, but first we're going to use a window sheet. And a window sheet, I cut it the size of the front of a regular card, an A2 card, that measure 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So I can use the same window sheet forever, put it that way. So I'm going to put my magnet right here so it stays in place, and it's at the corner so it's easy to line up. Now I want basic gray. One thing, if you do it with stays on, well, then it's going to be way hard to wash that. Let me put in the back of this so then it's much easier. So then you can see exactly where your greeting or your stamp's going to be before you do it permanently. Okay, I want it a little bit higher because the open go in the ears there. So what I'm going to do is you just wipe that off. I'm going to tap this a little bit there, and we're going to put that higher. Here we go. That looked pretty good. And we're going to do the same thing. Go there. And then we're going to tap. Okay, now I'm still off. You see the open there? It's not straight at all. So I can look at that. The open need to go down. So I'm going to take this here, and I'm just going to switch that down a little bit. I think I can do it just like that. Now we're going to go ahead, because sometimes it's just off a little bit, and it's so frustrating because that's the last step usually we do. Okay, I'm still off. This is the worst of ever that I did, I think. So what I'm going to do is take this, because sometimes our sticker too, it's not just right in the back. That look good. Let's do this. So you see, I would have ruined my card. Well, I still would have used it, Okay, that is perfectly straight. Now what you're going to do is remove, make sure that it's, yeah, remove that, then re-ink this here. Et voila. How simple it is. So then it doesn't matter. It can be a greeting or something else. Let's say you want to add trees, you want to do something. Then you can stamp it on. You put your piece of paper there and your clear window sheet. Then boom. When you know exactly where it is, remove the window sheet. So let me show you. I got another one here. And I'm going to finish that card there if you want to see. So let's say this one, I want to add, let's wash this here. And this is just a little chamois you get in the auto supplies. I like that for quick wash here. Okay, Take Life by the Rain. I'm going to try that right there. Let's see how that looks. I didn't even put the magnet there. Oh, my nails keep on scratching there. I'm going to use Early Espresso for this one. And let's step that there. That's perfect. Can be a little bit lower. So, I mean lower by, the life was too high. And these ones are sticky in the back. That's the new cling one. So it don't take much. Your finger gets stuck to it and you can move it easy. Perfect. Now we're going to remove this. Wave that there. Tap this. Come here. Et voila. So So if I want it darker, because it's by the 3, I just tap it again. Et voila. That is it, my friend. So that the window sheet, you should, or if you like this technique, this little tip, just cut yourself a piece of window sheet and keep it with your Stamparatus. It's going to come very handy, and not only handy, but it's going to save you a lot of frustration when you put your last bit of stamp on your card. So then it's going to be the way you want it. That's it for my tip of the day, and come visit my blog. Direct link below. I'm going to have the supplies for the window sheet and the Stamparatus, and also this card is going to be finished to share with you. That is it for now. Till next time, happy stamping, my friend. Bye-bye.